Hey guys, and welcome back to Self Guided with Journeys. So, listen, I did a $100 self care day. So, I started off getting a color change on my toes because I had just got a pedicure like a couple weeks ago. And then that was $15. And then I end up going to the Black Cow. The Black Cow is located in Charlotte, North Carolina. They do specialize in burgers, sushi, and drinks. So I did order quite a few items off their menu. I believe this location opened up, I want to say earlier this year because I tried to go earlier this year and they didn't even have a liquor license at the time. So I believe they opened up this year. So they're pretty much new. This drink that I've ordered, as you can see, she's trying to get that bubble to stay on top. She's so committed to the process. Listen, I just let her do what she was doing, and you're going to be happy once the bubble actually appears. So the little bubble that she's trying to put on top is actually like sugar. So it did make the drink sweet, which I love a good sweet drink. And the waitress, I'm sorry, I'm saying waitress, but she's actually a bartender. She was really committed. There was a guy on the other side of the bar, and he kind of was just being annoying. But anyway, let's see her trying to make this work. Trying to make this work. Let's see. I think this is time number 10. Yay, the bubble stayed on top. So I was so happy. She was so committed to this process. And guess what happens? In 3, 2, 1. And bam. Yeah. Just like that. But it was so cute and so tasty. So as you can see, I paired that with the sushi. I end up getting some wings, some of the Brussels sprouts, in a burger. And of course, I told you I already had the sushi. So look at this amazing spread of food. Oh, wow. Okay, let's just pan over so you can see the rest. And we're going to do it in 1, 2, 3. But the burger, look at my hand. Look at the size of the burger. It's like super duper big. And I was just sipping on that drink. And I had a Coke too. You know, indigestion problems. You have to have that type of feed so your food can go down good. So look. So yeah. So I'm going to show y'all. Look, I was really struggling with this burger. Trying to cut it and stuff. It was so huge. Of course, I didn't eat all my food. It ended up being leftovers. I ended up eating it the next day. But you guys, listen, self-care is so important. You guys, make sure you take a day to yourself and just treat yourself. I did all this stuff for $100. There's Natalie. So you guys, when you guys come to Charlotte, go to the Black Cow and visit Natalie. She is such a beautiful spirit. She was really awesome. Actually, like she kept checking up on me. And she was really nice. So we spent $41.68 on our meal and $15 on our nails so far. So I think we're doing good. I was doing really good. I was like, okay. I still have some money to spare. So what did I want to do? Let's go shopping. So I have been wanting a new nose ring, a hoop, for a minute. So Natalie was like, hey, go to Tyson's. They are located off in North Tryon. She said they have a wide range of nose rings. So I went there. You see, it was only $3.99. I ended up purchasing 2 with a mask. So $3.99 and $3.99. And then I believe the mask was around $5 or so. So in the store, I ended up paying $13 total. But if you see, they have such a large variety of jewelry, so go check them out. Next, I decided to do something fun. So y'all see my toes? See my toes? They look cute. I went bowling. It was so fun because I love to bowl. I grew up bowling with my mom and dad. And me, my brothers, and my nieces and nephews and my kids would sometimes go bowling. And I was like, you know what? This should be fun. Let's go ahead and do it. It was so much fun. Just being around other people and their family. It was kind of like a nostalgic feeling because I was just reminiscing about how I used to go with my dad and mom when they were on the bowling league when I was younger. And this is me, trying to knock down some pins. Don't pay no attention to them arms, I don't know why my arm's so big. I'm working on it. Don't judge me. But let's see if I can get this spare. I don't know if I got it. Let's see. And nope, that ball went the other way. So I didn't get the spare, but I did try. And it was just so much fun. Let's see what I'm gonna do this round. 1, 2, 3, 4, go girl. And then I couldn't really hold the ball, right? Because of my nails. So that was restricting me because usually I do really good in bowling. But this time it wasn't nothing. Don't look at my butt. I know I ain't got one. Whatever. So, but I had fun doing it, y'all. It was amazing. I end up spending, since I'm prior military, it was $2.50 per game. So it was $5 total because I did 2 games and the shoes were $5. So with tax and everything included, it was around another $13 I spent at bowling. And I ended up just going to the AMF. I think it was around 7 o'clock or so that I went. And it was cool. I had a really, really good time. Proof of me bowling, don't pay attention to my edges. I just had to keep a little wig on and stuff. That's me listening to some Sending My Love by Jeanne. Next, I went to Jenny's and I had some delicious ice cream. It totaled around $7.50. So total for the whole day, I spent $99 to include tips. And I had a wonderful day just enjoying myself. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.